What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload your file to Github using Bash, Git Bash. So basically what we're going to do is, this is my file, my project I want to upload to Github. So right now I'm just going to close this. This is right here. Yes, sir. So first thing I need to do is go to Github and create a repository. But before that, I must already have downloaded this Git on my system already. If I have not done that, I will not be able to use Git Bash on my system. So I'm going to put this link in my description so they can download it. Okay, so the next thing, let's go to GitHub. Now we have this done already. We have downloaded it. Let's go to GitHub and create a repository. So we're going to come here to new, click on it. Once you click on it, next what I'm going to do is write the name of the repository right here. So I'm going to put a project. Look at the new project. So let's type that. Then I can use an underscore, then new. Alright, project new. Okay, let's change the other way around. New project. Yeah. So right here you can write a description about your project if you want. But let's just go down straight and create the repository. Click here. So that's done, and this is it. Now, the first code we're seeing here is for when we want to upload a new project to GitHub. Right here. These are some of the codes we are going to use. Basically all the code we're going to use. But we can leave some behind like this, depending. It all depends on you. So, and the second one down here is for when we want to make an update on our code. So let's say we have already pushed the project already to GitHub, but we made some new changes on it. So we can come there and use this code. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to our project, come straight to project, then right click, and come over to Git Bash here. There's also a Git GUI, but what I'm going to use here is Git Bash. So click on it in your project. So you have to go to where your project is. Like this is where my project is. I want to upload to GitHub. This come in it, then right click. So click on Git Bash. So we wait for it. So now see we have the address of where our project is appears right here. This is it. So the first thing we're going to do is init. So let's start with git init, then send, type enter. That's done. So next what we're going to do, we're going to add the file or stage it for commit. So let's type git add, then space, just one space, then a full stop or a dot. Basically this is to make sure that it uploads all our folder, everything into the staging area, getting it ready for commit. So that I'm going to add the full stop, done, then press enter. Okay, so the next part we're going to do is we're going to commit. Depending on the size of your project, sometimes my project is very small, so that's why it was really quick. Sometimes it can take a longer time, or you see all your files being uploaded one by one, just in numbers moving 100%, this percent, depending on the type of a project. Especially if you're loading like Django project, might be a little more different and might take more time. I've tried it before and just take a long time. So next thing we're going to do is commit. So let's commit this. First let's type git commit, then space minus m space, then we can leave a comment like saying what we're commenting or the changes we made. So you can say we made a change on the nav bar, we changed the color, background color or something. That's a little short comment can go in here. So I'm just gonna write first commit. Yep, I notice we have a double quotation mark. Don't forget to use this. Double quotation mark, remove the space, put back by T, then press enter. Okay, you can see index.html, my CSS, the image right here has been uploaded to, it has been committed. So basically what is happening now is that you commit the file to your local repository. So right now it's being committed to my local repository. So now it's time to push it out to GitHub. So let's git push space minus then small u. The rest of the letters we're going to type are small letters. Then okay, now the next part here is the branch that we are pushing it to. Are we pushing it to masters or main? So let's just come into our GitHub. So this is the repository we created, awaiting our files to be uploaded to it. So let's come here, and it says git push original to main. Oh wait, something I forgot, which was to add this. It's very important. And get this main, just copy this, then come back to your command, your bash, and paste it there. Okay, done. Press enter. Then let's just go back and get the remaining part instead of typing it. So basically these are the commands we need to upload our files to GitHub. So let's come back, then paste. So it says git remote add original. So this is the link to our repository where we want our project to be uploaded to. So we press enter. Done. So the next part is push. Yep. So basically now we're going to push the changes to GitHub. So paste it in, then press enter. And wait for it, and that's it. It's all done. So that's what you need to do. So next thing, we're going to our repository, then we're going to refresh the page, and boom, you can see it right there, our projects right here. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, Please like and comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.